Mrs. Shynyside here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first ever Boxycharm unboxings. Let's go ahead and get into it. I have already gone through and unwrapped all the products, so I already know what's in here, but seeing as how it's like the last few days of May, everybody knows what's in here. So if you haven't seen a Boxycharm video, you're not going to know what the products are, but I already did. And I did when I purchased it on the 20th. So when you open the box, the first thing you see is that this month's theme is Boxy Bash. And then here on the back of the card, they do have the different brands and the different prices. Started off with the COVERFX Blurring Primer. Looks like that. This is full size. This normally retails for $38. And this is very similar looking, at least to the Benefit Professional, things like that, where it has a skin tone and it's a blurring primer. One brand actually gave us two different gifts in the box this month. This is the brand Aesthetica. They gave us the P12, which is a nice face brush, would be good for contouring, and then we also got an eye brush set, and this is the 3-piece eye trio. This normally retails for $45, and then this brush is the P12 face brush, and it normally retails for $27. Always love getting new brushes. The next item we got this month is the Pretty Vulgar Ink Gel Liner and Eyeliner, and this is in black, obviously. This retails for $24, and it looks so adorable. The only way they could make this look cuter is if it came with like a quill-shaped eyeliner brush. But a good amount of product in there. You're not going to be able to see it, but I know you can find this brand at Sephora now, so if you are interested or intrigued in the packaging, check out your Sephora. This is a brand I have yet to ever try. This is by Beauty Creations. This is a long wear matte lip gloss. It's a liquid lipstick, and it is in the shade Sweetheart. This is an exclusive to Boxycharm, and it's just a nice rosy pink color. Looks like that. The last product that we have is another high-end brand. This is by Pur, and it is the Sculptor Palette. It kind of has like dimples in it, like a golf ball, so that's kind of interesting. But this is a contour kit, so it looks like that. I wasn't really sure about these shades, so I wanted to go ahead and swatch them for you. Not all of these are going to work for someone who's fairer than I am. I am pretty fair, but at least I'll be able to use this as like an eyeshadow palette. These are very, very smooth powders. Starting off with the top champagne, that is Originator. The rose gold is called Trailblazer. The light brown is Inventor, and the dark brown is Founder. It smells like chocolate. And this normally retails for $30. In addition to the Pur and COVERFX products that were received this month, we also got discount codes to use on the brand websites. So from COVERFX, you get 20% off and use the code BOXY, and then on Pur, you get 15% off of their website and use the code BOXYMAY. Overall, I'm super impressed. This is my very first Boxycharm, and I got it to replace my Sephora Play. I kind of got to the point where I realized I wasn't using the tiny minis I was getting at $10 a month, so I decided to up the ante, go for the $21 a month, but get full-size products. And seeing as how this is something where I believe the total this month is around $160, $170, that to me seems like a better idea than getting all the little mini samples that I don't think you can use to complete a full face. Well, please subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up on this video if you like watching unboxing videos. Ring the bell, that way you'll be notified anytime that I upload, since I don't have a set schedule just yet. Please feel free to follow me on my other social media. I am Mrs. Shynyside on Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram, and I am Stephanie Shynyside on Facebook and Pinterest, and I will see you guys again next time.